High-protein laddus. $200 grams of sesame seeds. Half cup of roasted peanut. Half cup of walnuts. Half cup of jaggery. 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut powder. 1 teaspoon of ghee. Heat pan and add sesame seeds. Roast it on medium flame. Sesame seeds are roasted well, turn off flame. After cooling down, transfer it in a jar. 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds keep aside. Add jaggery and grind it. Sesame seeds and jaggery coarse powder is ready. In another jar, add roasted peanuts. Add walnuts. Make a fine powder. Fine powder is ready, keep aside. In a mixing bowl, transfer sesame and jaggery powder. Add peanuts and walnut powder. Add roasted sesame seeds and desiccated coconut. Give a nice mix. Add ghee and mix. If needed, add 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix nicely. From the mixture, take some portion and make laddu. Press gently and make round laddus. Garnish laddus with cashew nuts. Healthy high-protein laddus are ready. Do try this healthy laddus and enjoy in winters. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.